defendant will please rise. In the case of the State of Ohio versus Ryan Widmer, verdict on count 1, aggravated murder. We, the jury in this case, duly impaneled and sworn and affirmed, find that the defendant, Ryan K. Widmer, is not guilty of aggravated murder. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to contain yourselves, please. In manner and form as he stands charged in the indictment, dated this first day of April 2009. I guess that's will counsel accept the error in the dating? And there are 12 signatures affixed to that verdict form. Or maybe that was reached last night. I guess that could be a possibility. And the second verdict form, the State of Ohio plaintiff versus Ryan K. Widmer, defendant, on the lesser included offense of murder. The verdict reads, we, the jury in this case, duly impaneled and sworn and affirmed, find the defendant, Ryan K. Widmer, is guilty of the lesser included offense of murder, dated the second day of April 2009, and there are 12 signatures affixed to the verdict form. Do counsel wish to have the jury polled in this case?
Not on behalf of the State of Ohio, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Widmer, is there anything that you wish to say, either in mitigation of your sentence or as to why your sentence should not be imposed at this time?
I love my wife. I did not hurt her. I was never given a chance. The day after she passes away, they charged me with murder. I didn't even... If I had an answer, I would give the answer to what happened to her, but I can't. I was not in the bathroom with her.
Anything else you wish to say, Mr. Widmer?
I love my wife, and I did not hurt her.
As counsel have indicated, they are aware that there's one penalty and one penalty only for the offense of murder. It will be the sentence of the court that will be ordered confined in the Ohio State penal system for an indefinite sentence of 15 years to life. Has there been a calculation of the jail time credit Mr. Widmer is entitled to in this case?
We have not, Your Honor. With the court's leave, given the hour, may we submit that and make sure counsel agrees with that before we submit a final entry?
Okay. You concur in that, Mr. Richters? Court will assess the cost of prosecution in this case as well. The defendant will be remanded to the custody of the sheriff for transportation to the institution. Mr. Widmer, you do have the right to appeal your case to the 12th District Court of Appeals in Middletown.
Stop!
You are now in custody for the judge.
Come with me.
For what?
Slamming the door.
The door was on the outside.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, again, thank you for your participation. And the time you've devoted to the case, you are discharged. Again, you can discuss the case with counsel or anybody else, but that is not a requirement. Thank you so much for the last 2 weeks.
Please rise.
Sir.